Water is the lifeblood of our planet. It sustains all living organisms, from the smallest microbe to the largest whale. Its presence shapes landscapes, influences climate, and drives ecological processes. Access to clean, fresh water is a fundamental human right, crucial for health and well-being. Water resources impact economic development and environmental sustainability. Preserving our water resources is paramount for the future of our planet. Understanding water's interaction with the environment is crucial for responsible management. Water's role in nature is multifaceted and essential. It serves as a solvent, transporting nutrients and minerals through ecosystems. It regulates temperature, moderating climate extremes, and supporting diverse habitats. Water participates in vital biogeochemical cycles, influencing the distribution of elements globally. From the rain that nourishes crops to the rivers that carve canyons, water shapes our world. It supports the complex web of life, connecting terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems. The delicate balance of water is easily disrupted by human activities. Growing demands for water resources stress freshwater ecosystems. Pollution contaminates water bodies, threatening aquatic life and human health. Over-extraction of groundwater depletes aquifers, leading to land subsidence. Deforestation and urbanization alter water flow patterns, increasing flood and drought risks. Climate change intensifies the water cycle, leading to more extreme weather events. Protecting our water resources requires a comprehensive approach. The consequences of water scarcity are far-reaching and devastating. Water shortages can lead to food insecurity, social unrest, and economic decline. Competition for dwindling water resources can escalate tensions. Ecosystems suffer as rivers dry up, wetlands disappear, and biodiversity declines. Vulnerable populations feel the impacts of water scarcity most acutely. Addressing water scarcity requires global efforts for sustainable management and equitable access. Agriculture is the largest consumer of fresh water globally, accounting for a significant portion of total water withdrawals. Irrigation systems, essential for crop production, consume vast amounts of water. This increasing demand places immense pressure on water resources, especially in water-scarce regions. Sustainable practices are essential to reduce water consumption and minimize environmental impacts. Water depletion due to excessive irrigation can have severe environmental consequences. Over-extraction of groundwater lowers water tables, making it more difficult to access water. Agricultural activities contribute significantly to water pollution. Fertilizers and pesticides can leach into water bodies, contaminating rivers, lakes, and groundwater. Implementing best management practices is essential to minimize water pollution and protect water quality. Adopting sustainable practices is crucial for ensuring the long-term health of our planet. Industrial processes consume vast quantities of water for various purposes, including manufacturing, cooling, and cleaning. Industries such as textile production, paper manufacturing, and chemical processing are particularly water-intensive. This demand for water can strain local water resources, especially in areas with limited water availability. Industrial water use can also lead to water pollution, as wastewater containing chemicals and other pollutants is discharged into rivers and lakes. Effective wastewater treatment and water reuse strategies are essential to minimize the environmental impact of industrial activities. Industrial wastewater often contains a cocktail of pollutants, including heavy metals, organic compounds, and toxic chemicals. These pollutants can contaminate water bodies, harming aquatic life and posing risks to human health. Industrial wastewater discharge can also lead to eutrophication, a process in which excessive nutrients in water bodies stimulate algal blooms, depleting oxygen and creating dead zones. Effective regulations and enforcement are crucial to control industrial pollution and protect water quality. Water stress, a condition in which water demand exceeds available supply, is a growing concern in many industrial regions. Competition for limited water resources can lead to conflicts between industries, agriculture, and domestic users. Water scarcity can also disrupt industrial operations, impacting economic productivity and employment. Sustainable water management practices, including water conservation, reuse and efficient allocation, are essential to mitigate water stress and ensure the long-term viability of industrial activities. The environmental costs of industrial water use extend beyond pollution and depletion. The construction of dams and reservoirs to supply water to industries can alter river flows and fragment aquatic habitats. The extraction of water from rivers and aquifers can also lower water tables and impact downstream ecosystems. Industrial activities can also contribute to thermal pollution, as heated wastewater discharged into rivers and lakes can alter water temperature and harm aquatic organisms. A holistic approach to industrial water management is needed to minimize these environmental impacts and ensure the sustainable use of water resources.